Hey, what's up guys? I'm Chris Corning and I'm going to teach you how to ride jumps today. First off, we're going to start out with just doing straight airs. It's going to be nice and easy. You're going to keep your chest over your feet, and then when you pop, you got to bring your knees up and you got to pop off both feet, and then when you land, you got to keep your chest up. Don't be a dirty waist breaker and it'll be perfect. Now we're going to work on our grabs. So we'll move up to a little bit bigger of a jump. We're going to do an indie, so that's going to be your backhand in between your toes. Then we're going to do a method, so your front hand in between your heels, point your back foot out. Then we're going to do a stalefish, so you're going to twist your feet up 90 degrees in front of you and put your backhand behind your heels and grab it right there. Let's do it. Alright, so we've learned to straight air, we've learned to grab, and now we're going to move on to some easy spins. You're going to spin with your hips, not your shoulders, and you're going to look where you're going, and you're going to keep your chest up, keep your face up, and make sure you land it. Alright, sweet. I hope you guys learned something. I had a lot of fun. Remember these tips, have fun in Cardrona. Check out the big air. It's going to be a lot of fun. Winter games, here we come. World Cup, let's do it.